And I was a sophomore in school. The way you chased me around made me feel so cool. I lost my first love at 18. The team will always be a part of my heart. Football made me feel alive, but it left me with some scars. And a pretty girl was the last thing on my mind. Oh, but look at me, I fell deep for your blue eyes. Here we are,
I'm
dancing in your dress. Here we are, mom's mascara on a mess. Here we are, friends and family by our side. Here we are, and I will love you all my life. Here we are. Ooh, here we are.
I was shy, but my eyes were set on you. You were always my guide. Somewhere inside, I always knew. So I built up the courage, and I finally asked you to that dance. Oh, and now I'm so glad